give back to the earth as you're hiking around in this style from Oboz. This hiking boot is made with textile that uses recycled algae biomasses, which helps clean and restore the environment while providing this fantastic looking silhouette. It uses some leather overlays for added appeal and durability, with a TPU heel counter there in the back to give you a more supportive and lockdown fit. It does have a waterproof design with a gusseted tongue to keep out any debris, using a corded lace-up to give you a very secure fit. The inside lining is padded textile with lots of thick foam on that collar and tongue to hug your foot, coming with this removable foam footbed that has lots of heel cup support and some arch support to make sure you feel great with each step. Underneath, it has a very flexible and shock absorbing midsole to give you extra comfort and responsiveness underfoot, while sitting on top of this grippy rubber outsole that's got a little bit of flex there in the forefoot.